Hello, I am María José Vázquez Miquel, and now I am going to explain the concept of learning. In my opinion, learning is like climbing a mountain, where during the process of learning you can bump into some obstacles in the way, and you can never see the goal. When you are learning a language, you feel that your skills are improving or worsening. An important linguistic educational researcher and activist called Krashen said in 1980 that acquisition and learning are different concepts. On one hand, acquisition is an unconscious process originated from your need to communicate with the others. On the other hand, learning is a conscious process originated from the speaker's need to correct the language mistakes from the language they are learning.